Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to be making some easy eggs Benedict at home. Ingredients you'll need: English muffins. You'll need some eggs, bacon of your choice, and hollandaise sauce. Last but not least, we can make this from scratch, but I don't have a lot of time today, so I'm just going to use this package that'll help us through the process. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start our bacon. Bacon probably takes the longest, so that's why I'm going to start it first. Then, to get your hollandaise sauce started, we're going to take a half cup of butter. We're going to simmer until melted. Alright, now once you've got your butter melted for your hollandaise sauce, you're going to want to go ahead and add 1 cup of water. You'll add your sauce mix. And we're going to stir that in really well. And we're going to simmer over medium heat until it brings to a boil. Alright, now when your bacon's done and your hollandaise sauce is almost at a boil, what we're going to want to do is take a large frying pan and fill it up half full of water. We're going to take just a cap full of vinegar and put it into the water. What the vinegar does, it just keeps the eggs from sticking. Just a smidge. We're going to stir the water, just like that. And we'll go ahead, we're going to crack 4 eggs into that water. And once your hollandaise sauce is brought to a boil, remove from heat. Now, letting our eggs cook. You'll know they're ready when they start to float. Now while that cooks up, let's get our English muffins ready. Alright, wow, once your eggs are pretty much done, what you'll do, you'll make your English muffins. You'll smother them in nice hot butter. You'll break your bacon on it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a slotted spoon, scoop out those nice eggs, strain that water best you can, pour that right on top of those English muffins. Good. Slotted spoon, we'll drain it out. And place her on our muffins. Oh, it's going to be so delicious. Alright, now once you have that, I'm just going to go ahead and put on our hollandaise sauce. As much or as little as you like. And that, my friends, is how you do Eggs Benedict at home, the easy way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like it, just subscribe. Thanks, guys.